This 6-foot-tall Inspiration Falls work of art personifies its name by inspiring all to relax and let their stress and burdens melt away. This water feature can match any home decor by selecting blackened copper, stainless steel, or rustic copper for your metal choice. It is also ideal for business settings as it reduces employee worries and infuses them with energy and creativity. The 3-bulb halogen lighting system illuminates the natural beauty of the stone, and the water glimmers in the light as it cascades down to the polished river stones. All lights are controlled by a dimmer switch to create the desired ambiance, and an optional on-off remote is available for your convenience. The round or square decorative metal hood and tray are hand-fabricated by skilled artisans. Every cut and bend is finished to exactness. All metals, except for stainless steel, are powder-coated to provide protection against discoloration and aging for years of enjoyment. Our stone buyers search the world for the best offered by Mother Nature, including a selection of natural stones in marble, travertine, and slate from various continents. This model is also offered in mirror and featherstone. All slate and travertine stone edges are meticulously hand-chiseled to perfection. The stunning Rainforest Marble Collection is rich in color, intrigue, and bold in character. Our custom stone selection option allows you to go online and choose your stone with the color and texture to match your decor. Our unique water distribution system will not clog, causing uneven water flow, and in the water reservoir, our welded plastic liner is double tested to ensure against leaking. Personalize your water feature with an engraving or company logo. It is also ideal for a business setting as it reduces the stress of all who encounter it, as well as promoting the company's logo and personality. Quality control through every phase of the creation of your water feature is paramount at Adagio. Every water feature is 100% made in the USA and backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Discover the beauty and tranquility from owning an Adagio water feature.